Hey everyone, it's Margot here at My Favorite Quilt Store, and I wanted to give you an overview of this cute quilt kit. It's called Little Llamas. It is one of my favorites. It is made with the Sunroom collection, and it's a fabric quilt kit that is curated by Elizabeth Hartman, and it's so cute to do, these little llamas. This size quilt is 64 by 68, and so everything you need to make that quilt is inside here. The background is this beautiful beige fabric that has kind of little dots and spots, kind of like has a tonal print to it. And then within this kit, we've got 3 charm packs. So 2 sunrooms and 1 Kona solid charm so that you can get a nice variety of color within your llamas. And then these beautiful Essex linens to make your llamas out of, that'll really make them sparkle and shine because they're gonna have more of a texture to them. And then this cute orange fabric for the binding of the quilt. Anyway, I think this is going to be a very fun quilt. Everyone that's made it has absolutely loved it. I've gotten lots and lots of reviews on it. So it's a lot of fun quilt to make. So happy quilting.